Hi friends, good to see you back. Those who are new to the channel, please subscribe, like and share. So let's do something very interesting today. Last time we did some interesting work using a credit card. So this time, as you can see, we are going to do a modern art. So let's do it in a simple way. Let's make it so simple and easy so that everybody can do it. And but let it be so colorful. So guys, let's start. So as you can see, today we are going to use the color flow technique. So almost we can say it's like color raining. So the topic for today is colors of life. So guys, I'm just showing you the techniques and way to use the colors and steps, but the whole creativity and theme is up to you. So and also leave the thinking to the audience. So let's see. So each of us will have some different ideas, right? So let's not fix it to one theme or one idea. So everybody has their own ideas. So here, after initial flow of colors, I'm creating a face actually. So you may think what this guy is doing. Basically, is this a human face, or is this an alien, or is this something from future? So let this imagination be with the audience. So those who are watching or painting, let them think, but you should have your own thoughts too. So you need not tell everything directly. So that's the beauty of modern arts. So it makes you think, it gives some mystery, it gives different ideas to different people. So let's keep it that way. So here you can see I have drawn the base of a face with the blue color and giving the background with the different colors. So far you can see it has a techno look, or maybe a future, or is it an alien land? It's up to you guys. Or is it a symbol our own life now? So let's see at the end. So everybody will have their own thoughts. So right now I am setting up the base. All I am using is some base colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. And I'm not using much of a mixed colors like realistic human colors or other things, or even black. And as I mentioned earlier, so my objective is to create a face here. Is it the face of a human? Is it a man? Is it a woman? Is it an alien? Or is it something you've seen in a film? Avatar? No. Let's see. It's up to you guys. So it can be anything. So that thought, but I have some idea in my mind. So if something makes you think, the face looks little mysterious, but it can be a face, or it can be you. It can be somebody in future, someone looking through the window during a rain. But can the rain be colorful? Yes, it can be. So it may be in future the rain is colorful, or maybe the rain is already colorful in some other land. So keep the mystery, guys. So that's use the colors freely, use according to you. So don't limit yourself. So that's the whole idea of this. And let's see how far we come. Keeping the colors limited. With the limited colors, I'm trying to create that fantasy look, and also the free flow of the colors. It's up to you guys. Maybe you can use different shades. You can make it dark. Make it so dark and mysterious with lots of blacks and whites. So here I am making it too colorful. So something like some billy boards with fluorescent colors, right? So with a dark background and this techno colors. Let's see how you feel it. So let me know in the comment section what you guys feel about this painting. Maybe what I am telling may be totally wrong. You are seeing something different, so you may have better thoughts than me. Let's see, guys. Let me know through the comment section. So far, my idea is to create that spark in you, create a thought in my viewers and who are watching this painting. Let them think and make them think and let them forget their current sorrows or their difficulties. So they're watching this painting. Maybe for a moment they think what it is the artist gone mad or is he just throwing some colors around? Or if you close your eyes and look again, you may feel like, oh no, it's something. Or is it somebody in an alien land looking through the vines? Or is it raining through a colorful window pane? Or it's a normal dull rain and the colors are thoughts of that guy who is behind the window. So I think I am talking too much, not too much related to the painting. So the work is simple. So select your colors very wisely so that it gives a mysterious look and it's not just the throw of colors, and you make your viewers think and make them wonder, take them to a fantasy land. So that's the whole idea of this modern art. Guys, use your technique. Maybe you can there are different techniques you can do the modern works and create different colors flow, but this is one of the simple methods I'm using here. Other thing, I'm using a dark background, so maybe you guys can stick with the normal white one and create your own different ways of doing it. So you can see I'm leaving a lot of that dark background as it is, so that's why I'm not using much of the black. So as you can see, it's giving a lot of depth, right? I guess you guys can agree with me at the end. So don't make it too clumsy too. So what I'm doing right now is just the same colors and adding a little more depth and little bit white here and there to give that highlight colors. And I can one more thing, you can see I'm controlling that color thickness so that some of them at least stop in between, so all of them not just go away, right? So that gives a different look to the painting. Guys, it's done, and I'm not going to make it too complicated, making it simple, make you guys think, leave little mystery behind and keep it that way, right? So once again guys, let me know what you guys think about it and what's your feeling after looking at this. Maybe I'll tell you guys once, just close your eyes and think about this painting and let me know what you guys thought. So guys, thanks for watching. See you all again next time with another idea, another work of art. Hope all of you like it. Thank you guys. So please click the bell icon and subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. See you again, bye.